Give you my heart.
Hi there, YouTubers. I'm coming to you guys with a pasta mukbang. I have some leftover panini pasta, corn greens, cornbread, and a slice of pizza that I made for Imani. It's just a little thin thing that I made on the stove. So I just want to taste this. So let's just finish this thing. Not bad. Not bad at all.
Mama,
What?
Mama.
What? You want what?
Mama.
Hold on. Alright guys, I am back. Got some Crystal hot sauce. I feel like Sam. I don't know why I feel like saying Sam's World Girl. Here come Crystal. I'm sorry. I had to say it. I was trying to get Louisiana hot sauce, but this is Louisiana hot sauce, and all I had was Crystal. So, oh crap. I have cornbread. Yes, it's falling apart. I tried putting the cupcake tins, but I think I add a little bit too much sugar or whatever to it. But cupcake tin, but my daughter took them all. I was playing with them, but I couldn't find them. I got some greens I made the other night. Okay, I got sour cream, jalapeno peppers on top. These are turnip greens. I made them pretty spicy, y'all. Pretty spicy. I'm sorry. Y'all want a bite? I got a piece of bone from my neck bone. Yeah. I also cook neck bones, but those are gone. And me and my husband be the only one eating these greens. Because the kids are loud. No. Actually, I didn't give them none because it was too spicy. I'll put jalapeno peppers in here, red pepper flakes, cayenne pepper, black pepper. I love putting my corn into my pasta. Give this stuff a good mix. Oh yeah, I melted some cheese down in here too, you guys. And I put a couple of jalapenos on top. How's your like? I'm drinking this. Wait. Watermelon. Infused with watermelon. This is. We gonna see. Cause this don't taste good. I really just drink regular water. It says it has 0 calories and all those things, and no sweeteners. So we'll see. Cause I've been trying to drink really nothing but water. But while I wait till I broke my fast before I drink this. Excuse me. Yeah, I could try to taste the, I could kind of taste the, I could definitely taste the hint of watermelon. No, these wrong, still at Kroger's for 49 cents. On that rate, where they reduced the price and everything. I also found some fruit snacks for the girls, y'all. They reduced them down to 99 cents. And I'm not talking about the box with 10 in it, 22. Sorry, 2 boxes. And then have still on the Cheez-Its, the family size box with the coupon $1.99. So I bought one of those, and they had Red Baron pizza $1.99 a box. So I got that. But I'm making the pizza. I'm pizza out of tortilla because I didn't want to take that out and they didn't eat it all. So because it's lunchtime, my daughter's at school and you want to get wasted. The little one crying. She want pizza. Let me go. I'm gonna be bearing on them real quick because she's watching TV. Well, the youngest one's watching TV, and the 3-year-old watching her phone right now. Ooh, my back hurt. Not yesterday, day before yesterday, I dropped my husband's coffee mug on my feet. Boy, my feet was hurting. I fell asleep, woke up in the morning, it was still hurting. The pain just gradually went away yesterday. And I woke up this morning and my feet don't hurt. I'm so happy. I was like, did I break my toe? Excuse me. And when I say coffee cup, I mean coffee thermal. Oh my gosh. You could taste the, excuse me, hit more when you finish drinking it. I feel like I got too much food. But we try to eat leftovers, so. I don't know if I'm being finished all this, y'all. I think my eyes were bigger than my stomach. Dang, my back hurt. Oh, but my cone. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna finish this. Anyway, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna get ready because I have to leave soon. I think I want to go to not today but tomorrow, but to get ready for it. And hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to do that noodle challenge hopefully soon, if not now, maybe well, I don't know, soon, maybe Monday, maybe before Monday. Well, I know for sure probably Monday. It's by Shanae. I don't have ramen noodles, I only have mama noodles, and those packs are bigger than the ramen noodles, but if I have to, I'll do 2 packs of those. This will be the same, but because I don't eat regular ramen noodles. Yeah, I'm bougie now. I don't eat regular ramen noodles because I done tasted mama noodles and they delicious. And yeah. No, I'm just playing. But no, ever since I started eating mama noodles, I'm actually getting noodles from the Korean store. Ramen noodles just ain't been the same to me. Just regular ramen noodles. Whatever, however you say it. However you say it, because I know people say it different ways. I just ain't been into those noodles. But they used to sell them at Walmart, the mama noodles. I don't know if they still do, but if they do, you guys should definitely try those ramen noodles. They're very delicious. I also like to crack an egg in it when I cook it and let it cook just a little bit. It's delicious. Okay. Anyway, I hope you guys do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm finna go to take these out of my head. I'm hoping they turn out good, like for real. I'm finna untwist one and see. I know I keep on saying I'm finna go and then I don't go. I guess they're gonna be nice. I'm gonna have to separate them some more. But yeah. That's why I haven't took down my head, because I was like, I'm gonna leave my hair like this so that whenever it's time for me to leave, I will have a hairstyle that's gonna be cute. So I'm gonna just twist that back up because I don't want to take this down until tomorrow. I want to make sure my hair looks nice. Well, somewhat nice. Well, nice. When I'm dealing with natural hair, these roots, that ain't no joke. That ain't no joke. And where I bleach my ends, they're starting to grow out. Guys, I'm thinking about maybe dyeing my hair red again. If you've been watching me for a while, you've probably seen where I dye my hair like red. It was like cherry red. I don't know. I'm thinking about doing that again. So if you guys are watching to the end, just put down at the bottom what y'all think. Bye.